ClickUp versus Slack. Which productivity tool is better? Choosing the right productivity tool can completely change how you manage tasks and communication without wasting time or losing focus. Both ClickUp and Slack offer unique features for teamwork and organization. ClickUp and Slack are popular productivity tools designed to boost team efficiency. The core difference is ClickUp focuses on task and project management, while Slack specializes in real-time communication and messaging within teams. ClickUp is an all-in-one productivity platform that combines task management, document collaboration, time tracking, and goal setting. It works by organizing projects into customizable spaces, lists, and tasks, allowing teams to plan and track progress in one place. Its strengths include a highly flexible interface, extensive integrations, and powerful automation capabilities, making it ideal for teams managing complex workflows. Users can visualize work through multiple views such as lists, boards, and calendars, adapting to different project styles. However, ClickUp's comprehensive features can have a learning curve for new users, and some may find its interface overwhelming at first. The platform suits project managers, remote teams, and businesses needing detailed task tracking alongside communication. Slack is a communication-first platform designed to streamline team messaging with channels, direct messages, and video calls. It works by organizing conversations into topic-based channels that keep discussions focused and searchable. Slack's strengths lie in its intuitive real-time communication tools, extensive app integrations, and powerful search capabilities, which help teams stay connected and responsive. It also supports voice and video meetings, file sharing, and customizable notifications to reduce distractions. However, Slack does not provide built-in task or project management features, which means teams often need additional tools for organizing work. Slack is best suited for teams prioritizing fast, organized communication, especially in environments where quick collaboration and information sharing are critical. ClickUp and Slack serve different but complementary purposes. ClickUp excels in managing projects with detailed task tracking and workflow customization, making it perfect for teams needing structure and oversight. Slack shines in facilitating instant communication and quick decision-making through channels and messaging. For example, a marketing team might use ClickUp to plan campaigns and track deadlines while relying on Slack for day-to-day conversations and brainstorming. The trade-off is that ClickUp requires more setup and user training, while Slack offers a simple onboarding but lacks built-in project management. Teams looking for an all-in-one solution might lean toward ClickUp, whereas those focused on communication will prefer Slack, often integrating both for maximum productivity. Choose ClickUp if your team needs comprehensive project management with customizable workflows and task tracking all in one platform. Opt for Slack if your priority is seamless, real-time communication and collaboration. For many teams, combining Slack's messaging with ClickUp's task management creates a powerful productivity ecosystem that covers both communication and project oversight effectively.